Select Developer, Visual Basic, right-click VBA project, select Insert Module and type. Let's create a variable called It's Friday today. It's Friday today equals application InputBox prompt will equal is it Friday today, true or false. Type will equal 4. Type 4 is for logical values. Let's test it. Select Developer, Macros, and select Ask for Day macro. Oh, we've got an error. What's wrong with this? Ah, it's variant. Let's test it again. Press Macros, Ask for Day, run. Is it Friday today, true or false? I say hello. Logical value is not valid. Okay, this is great. I type true. It's okay. I can also type 1 or 0. 1 is for true and 0 is for false.